What's up, my boys? Today we are going to look at what we can do to make our faces look better. Because some people say they don't want to put on makeup, they don't want to use makeup. It's for girls, it's for women. But I'm going to tell you one thing. Everybody you see on TV has makeup on, including Donald Trump, Chris Brown, and so forth. The list is really long. So why would you stay there and look like a man of 1823? We are in 2020 and we need to change that habit. So what you need is not a lot. You are not supposed to be carrying a whole bag, like a whole makeup bag, like female do. But what you need is just simple things, okay? For me, I use two things. I use this, it's Profess. It's some kind of powder. I don't use much. And sometimes I use this kind of foundation. They call it what? They call it Truly Made. So just simple as that. Those two will be enough. I don't want to change my face into something completely different. I just want to look normal. I just want to have a clean face without any type of acne, rash, pimples, you name it. So I will apply my foundation first and then I will top it up with my powder. And that's it. Simple. Not much. Okay? So, and if of course you do not have as much hair as I do on face, you can use some other things, like you can use the things that women will put into the eyebrows and so forth to make it a little, to make it look a little darker, or to make it full. Okay? So I apply that much. Okay, so I apply that much, not too much, that much, and I'll put it the way women do. You know the drill, man. Then I will look like that. After that, I'm gonna beat it up. Yes, female do. For myself, this is what I do. See how different I start to look like? Look. See? My face looks smoother with no acne. I forgot to tell you, before you start, before putting this on, you need to have a shower. I just had a shower. Clean your face, apply some lotion on your face or cream on your face. So that's what you do. Not too much. See, I don't necessarily look like a woman. As you can see, okay, and I'm clean. After that, I'm gonna take my powder, but I don't want to exaggerate, okay? You don't want to go out there and look like a whole moon. No, man, just a little bit of this and I will top it up like that. A little bit of that, top it up, and that will be it. Not much. It's 2020 and we need to stop looking super oily. We need to stop looking like those men in 1821 who used to say that this kind of stuff are for women. Man, women live longer, man. We need to be looking at what they do for us to live longer too. Why are you supposed to stay like that? You see that your neighbors are eating and you are hungry. You don't want to go and ask them what they did to have food? Man, I will go, I will ask my neighbors, what do you do to get your food? They will tell me, I will get my food and I will eat. In the case of makeup, I talk to women and they tell me this is what you do. So you see, so basically that's it. After this, I apply my lip balm. Don't put too much lip balm. Make sure your lips don't look like steel utensils, and so you do not shine out there, okay? That's it. You can use anything, the rest of the lip balm. I know I'm doing it the main way. I will use the rest of the lip balm which stays on my hand, and I will just clean my eyebrows with it. What you could do, because just to make it shiny, because you know you put that powder on it, and you can put a little bit on your beards as well, just make it shiny. But if you have anything you can use to make your beard or your hair, facial hair shiny, you put it on, okay? I will use my brush to comb my eyebrows, just like that, and then like that, and then my beards, of course. And that's it. And I look like everybody else. I will go out there, I look presentable, okay? But my hair then, I will untie my hair and make it look much more sexier, you know. So I will untie my hair to make it look a little sexier. My hair is really dry, y'all. Oh my god, it's very dry. I'm gonna need to work on it. See, that's me. I'm ready to rock. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment down below and I will be answering your questions. If you haven't yet, subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends, your husband, your boyfriends. Tell them what they're supposed to do to look sexier, man. Gang, I'm gonna see you in a little bit, okay? In the next video. If you want more tips, let me know in the comment section. Tell me, ask me questions. How do you do this? How do you do that? Can we do this? Can men do this? Can men do that? I will answer those questions, okay? I will see you in a little bit.